Hi everyone, I'm Erik Woodcraft, AIFD, floral contributor for Living Flowers. And today I'm going to share with you an exciting and fun summertime design. To begin this design, I'm utilizing some different kitchen canisters, the glass kind, in a variety of different styles and sizes. And I'm using also this 1-inch flat wire. I've taken a couple of Uglu dashes and set them back from the edge about an inch. Take 2 of the dashes and then attach the yarn to that and begin wrapping around, and you're gonna wrap and wrap and wrap until the entire thing is almost covered. Attach 2 more Uglu dashes, so you've created a hoop. Then take 2 more Uglu dashes and set them on top and continue wrapping yarn until you've completely concealed the entire hoop. Then set these on top of some of the vases. I've also attached some of them to the vase with a Uglu dash, and then put clothespins and the flat veneer cane. Some of them I've fed toothpicks through to add a different detail, as well as the shish kabob skewers that are woven through the yarn to create this spiky fun effect. I've also taken some of the aluminum wire and attached a Uglu dash to it and then wrapped yarn around it. Next, I've added some lemons to a couple of the canisters just for a bright, sunny, summery kind of a look. As well, I'm putting in this dusty miller and the white hydrangea, these fun butterfly ranunculus, which are so popular right now, and these bright orange roses and dusty miller. I've also used the canister lids, which interestingly enough actually hold water, and I floated butterfly ranunculus and dusty miller to kind of expand the overall effect. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope to see you guys again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.